Fanatics, we're back. Whew, had to fix a few things. I'm gonna get a little comfortable here. I'm gonna look at our instructions. Alright, so I've got my taxi here and I'm still building it. So I bought that. Okay, so I've got that. So I need this piece here, which is gonna go across there, like that. And then this is gonna go right here, like that. So that's where that piece is going to go. I'm going to watch my exhaust there, because you know that's where the exhaust comes out for the cab. It's kind of cool looking, and you know, I'm just trying to make sure that everything is tight. And then I'm going to do, so I'm going to take this one and I'm going to go right here with it. And I'm taking 4 of these. Oh, you know what? I'm jumping the gun. No, that's cool, because I still haven't done anything. Okay, so I'm gonna put this here, and then these are gonna go here. Keep hitting that with my hand. Going to put this one here, like that. Make sure that's all. Okay, and then did that. I need 4 of these for what reason? Hang on. Okay, so I need 1 here, 1 there, like that, because I've got these 2 here. And I'm going to put this one and this one. It's going to go here. This is going to go here, so that'll give me a little bit of an uplight on this. And that secures that door. Okay, and then I need to pay attention to what I'm doing here. So this is going to go here. This is going to go here. Okay, so that's right. And I've got this one like this, that one like that, and then I'm going to go pop, pop. And I know you can hear the family in the background there making stuff in the kitchen. It is Thanksgiving, so this is the Thanksgiving video. I'm actually watching Ebenezer Scrooge, and yep, whole family's over. I'm going to turn this down because I don't want it too loud. Alright, so let's put that over there. A little bit of a drink here. All right, let's keep going. Where's my time? Oh, I got some time. Okay, so I did that part. So now I'm going to do this. I'm going to put these lights on because they're the brake lights for the cab. Whoop, and I'm going to drop it. As you can see, brake lights for the cab. And these go here, just like that. This one will go right here, like that. And then I'm going to take 1x2 flats and put them there. Take the 1x3 flats and put them there. That's so cool. Okay. So as you can see how the back, it's got the lights and everything, license plate. Okay, so now I'm going to take this and I'm going to go like this and like this. And then I'm going to take these and I'm going to put them in this way, like this. And it looks a little weird at first, but it's this way for a reason, because this is going to go right here and that's the trunk. Make sure these are all okay. Just like that, I've made the trunk. Isn't that cool? I know the license plate is over a little bit. I don't want to fix it because it'll mess it up. Okay, and then I need 1, 2, come on, 3, 4 of those, and then 1 of these, and 1 more of these cheese slopes here, and look at that. You got yourself a door. Isn't that kind of cool? It's all coming together. Pretty neat, you know. I did fix this part here, as you can tell in the front. I was having a little bit of problems with the directions, so you know what? Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.